So if you have a lift master garage door opener where your keypad is not opening the door anymore, make sure the door is open. Go push the button. Come around to the back side. You'll see a green button or a button of some kind, which is really kind of called the learn button. Once you push it, LED may come on or may not. You'll have 30 seconds to go enter the code that you want, followed by the enter sign. So we'll do that now. All right, so you go back outside. Typically happens after you change the battery. It was cold here and the battery died, so I had to swap it out. So I'll enter my code without showing you guys. Hit enter. Light cycles. And now you enter the code again. And there she goes. And just to help you out, that's an A23, an A23 12-volt battery that goes in there.